Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share some super effective tips on boosting your Shopify sales with Facebook and Instagram ads in 2025. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. First things first, let's get the basics right. You need to have a clear objective. Are you looking to drive traffic, increase conversions, or build brand awareness? Whatever your goal is, make sure you define it before you start. Next up, targeting. This is where the magic happens. Facebook and Instagram have some of the most advanced targeting options available. You can target based on age, location, interests, behaviors, and more. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. Now let's talk about creating your ad. Visuals are key. Use high-quality images or videos that grab attention. And don't forget your copy. It should be short, engaging, and to the point. A strong call to action like shop now or learn more can make a big difference. Another crucial aspect is your budget. Start small and scale up as you see results. Facebook and Instagram allow you to set daily or lifetime budgets, so choose what works best for you. Remember, it's not just about spending more, but spending smart. Okay, let's move on to split testing. This is an absolute game changer. By running multiple versions of your ad, you can see what works best. Test different images, headlines, and audiences, analyze the results, and optimize accordingly. Now let's talk about retargeting. Ever wondered why you keep seeing ads for products you've browsed online? That's retargeting. It's a powerful tool that helps you reach people who've already shown interest in your products. Set up a retargeting campaign to remind them of what they're missing. And don't forget about analytics. Facebook and Instagram provide detailed insights into your ad performance. Keep an eye on metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and return on ad spend. This data is gold and will help you make informed decisions. Finally, stay updated with the latest trends and features. Social media platforms are constantly evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. Join Facebook groups, follow industry blogs, and keep experimenting. Adapt and innovate to stay ahead of the competition. So there you have it. Follow these tips and watch your Shopify sales soar. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy selling.